Christmas tree for the show. I've rerouted the power converters. Bang, pop. I've changed the circuit board. Kapow, crash. And all I've got left to do is add a new fuse.
Skyline at night, a winter snowstorm is in sight. Excitement fills the air, the sparkle, so they say they'll soar. For the skyline snowstorm, for the skyline snowstorm.
We've been so busy.
And did you double check your wiring?
Yes.
Oh, good. So let's begin. It's time.
Everywhere, over here and over there. Christmas sparkles beautifully. Spread the sparkles over the tree. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Father Christmas to help us.
Don't know Father Christmas.
Yes, I do. Will you help me call for Father Christmas, everyone? You will? Oh, goody bum drops. Here we go. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Father Christmas is on the roof.
Hello, Bonnie. Hello, everyone. I heard you all calling for me, and I came as quickly as I could.
Oh, thank you. Father Christmas?
Yes, Bonnie.
Our tree lighting ceremony didn't go to plan. The lever for the snowstorm is stuck and won't budge. Do you think you can help us?
Well, of course I can. All I need first is something Christmassy, like a...
Light our trees.
with a little bit of Christmas magic.
Oh!